Hello and welcome to a very short video how I decorated this glass vase or candle holder. I'm not sure what is it. So firstly I use some air drying clay, a stamperia mold with some leaf on it, and I glued it all the way around the candle holder or the vase. I am not sure what it is, and I alternate a smaller and larger leaf. And this way I went around the vase. As you can see, one fell down as I wanted to show you guys. So this is how it look with the leaves on. Now I use another stamperia mold and I applied some more decor to my fall inspired vase. Then I thought it needs a little bit more, so I decided to put something on top of it as well. And everything was glued with express glue from Pentart. And after everything was glued the way I wanted, I let the clay dry before I started to paint it. All materials that I use in this video will be listed in description box below. And if I cannot find something like what I used, I just will put something similar into it. So my clay is dry, so it was time to paint the clay part. So for this I use some acrylic paints. And I wiped off any excess of the paint with wet towel, as you can see. The same thing I did with the leaves. So firstly, everything was painted with acrylic green paint, and then I wiped off any excess with wet towel. And the rest of it was also painted with acrylic paints, the berries and such. And you know, I usually do some videos with my bestie Amber from this Southern Girl Can. So one or two of her videos will be listed in my description box below. So after watching this video, go check out her as well. So for a little bit more of a rustic look, I applied paint with a kitchen sponge onto my clay leaves all the way around, and after it I let everything dry. After my paint was dry, it was time to seal it, so I used water-based matte varnish. Of course you can use glossy one as well, and after I applied it I let it dry, and then it was time to put a little bit of shimmer on my clay. So I use for this wax paste, a golden wax paste. And here it is, my pumpkin fall inspired little vase. And now tell me, shall I do a Halloween one as well? I want to know in the comments, so let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.